Hello, question number 39. Find the input impedance of two-port network as shown in the figure. Diagram given here with ABCD parameters. Load resistance RL equal to 1 ohm. Solution. The output voltage V2 equal to minus I2 multiplied by RL. So put the value of RL equal to 1 ohm. So V2 equal to minus I2. And input impedance equal to V1 upon I1. So V1 upon I1 equal to AV2 minus BI2 divided by CV2 minus DI2. We put the value of V2 equal to minus I2. So impedance V1 upon I1 equal to A plus B divided by C plus D. Now we put the value of A equal to 15, B equal to 10, C equal to 2, D equal to 15. All these parameters for two-port network. So V1 upon I1 equal to A plus B divided by C plus D equal to 15 plus 10 divided by 2 plus 15. This equal to 25 divided by 17. This equal to 1.47 ohm. So input impedance of the network V1 upon I1 equal to 1.47 ohm. Okay, thank you.